Some days I get quiet and get distant, cause it's the only way I can get you to listen. I didn't wanna do this, but you made me. Baby girl, you really drive me crazy. You say don't text you when I'm drunk like you Stacy, but you just say you wanna have all my babies. In a drop top coupe going 80. You dumb if you thinking that you gon' play me. Gotta watch how I move like I...
You guys asked me for a live. Let's get in the car and let's get out. All right, we're gonna take a nice.
Bruh, look at this dude. Wait till you see the. No, 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 no.
Cruise, maybe get some pulls in, show you how we do it out here in Hawaii. Let's go, baby. All right, guys, I got my lit, I got my drone, I got the camera, we got the phone set up. Let's go. I reset the car so that check engine light can, hold on. She don't want to start. Okay, let's try this again. Let's try this again, people. Come on. No check engine light, we're in there. All right, also, as I was cleaning the car, I found Olive Garden. It's a $25 gift card. It's either the Cheddar's, not here. Bahama Breeze is not in Hawaii. That's not in Hawaii. Longhorn is not in Hawaii. The only thing we have is Yard House or Olive Garden. So it looks like we're gonna be putting a pickup order into Olive Garden in Kapolei. That's gonna be dinner, people. All right, guys, well, we are out here. Beautiful roads, beautiful view. This is what you asked for. I had some people in my comments said, hey, we want to see Hawaii. We want to see point of view driving. Well, here we go. We are in my beautiful Alcantara ZL1. Don't worry about the little cheap plastic up here or the 60,000 miles because we drive. All right, I'm on the phone, yes, with the wifey. But yeah, we're out here. So once we go through the tunnel, get to a beautiful side, maybe emptier roads, we'll be back. the mountains, like everything. But what do you guys think? I think it is amazing. It is beautiful in Hawaii, man. I can't get enough. I am so blessed that I get to live here. I am so blessed that I get to call it home. I am so blessed that this is, again, beautiful, right? Like, this is so gorgeous. This is beautiful, amazing. And to have this car out here is super nice. Even though the potholes destroy me, it is so nice to like. Alright, I'm gonna get off and turn back around. Ooh. Let's put her in track mode. Man. Woo-wee. Yes, sir. All right, we'll go this way and then we'll just end up getting back on. If you guys want to see how stupid I look, just look. Hold on, let's turn that around. Ooh, yeah. I have the strap on and ooh, big pause. That sounds weird. Never mind. I gotta go. So there's a road up here. When we hit this corner, that's what I'm trying to hit. Because ouch, ouch. But it's hard because I'll get stuck. Ended up trying to get on the Marine base, and that is not what I'm trying to do. Let me put this window up. But I'm not trying to get stuck up there. But this road coming back down is exactly what I'm looking for. Exactly what I'm looking for. This is long. I just wish it was empty. I should have came out here in the morning time. That definitely would have been the best time, nice and early when no one's out here. But we're gonna continue up really quick. Let's see what's up here. Hopefully nothing. All right, we're gonna jump back on and then jump back off real quick. Trying to make that light, and we did. Awesome. So next time, like I said, we'll hit the turnaround and then get out of here. Let's get out real quick. And see what I'm working with. Back tires. Oh, she looking bad. Bro, I gotta change them tires. Let's check out the fronts. All right, we looking good. Y'all ready for a quick little hit? All right, let's go. Nope, someone's behind us. Told you. In Hawaii, there's way too many undercover cops for me to be stupid. I couldn't do it. Got to be smart at all times. Let's get off. This dude just messed up the whole exit. Oh my gosh. Put it back in touring mode. He messed up the, come on, my guy. And let's go. There we go. Woohoo! There we go. There we go. She picks up quick. And now you guys can hear that automatic downshift. She sounds mwah.
Some days I get quiet and get distant, 'cause it's the only way.